Welcome back to Scientific Notation Part 2. In Part 1, we learned how to go from standard form to scientific notation, and now we are going to go backwards. How do we go from scientific notation to standard form? All right, well, we simply do the opposite of what we did in Part 1. So here's our scientific notation, 2.93 times 10 to the 5th. This exponent here is going to tell us how many spaces we are going to move the decimal point to the right this time. All right, so the way we begin is we are going to just rewrite the decimal, 2.93, and now we are going to move it 5 spots to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we make our little egg cartons, and then let's stick some eggs in there. Doop, doop, doop. Let's rewrite it and put our commas. 2, 9, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, comma. So there we go. 2.93 times 10 to the 5th is equal to 293,000. Capiche? Caposh. One more. So here's another one. Now, when you find the directions for these, it could say find the value. When you see the word value, it just means how much. Or it might say find the product. Okay? And they say product because the product is the answer to multiplication. Either way, you're just going to do what we did last time. You're going to change this scientific notation into standard form. So we take a look at the exponent. The exponent is 8, which means I'm going to move this decimal point 8 spots to the right. So I'm going to rewrite 7.804. And notice that this 0 is important because it's in between two other numbers. All right, 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fill my egg carton with eggs. Rewrite 7804 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Put my commas in. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. And there we go. 7.804 times 10 to the 8, scientific notation, is equal to 780,400,000. All right, your turn to try. Here you go. Here are 3 problems. Change them to standard form. Pause. And then when you've got your answers, start it up again and see how you did. And here are your answers. 1,610,000, 60,100, 800,000. I really should be circling my answers. All right, that will be what we will work on in class. If you have any questions, let me or Mrs. Purdy know when you come in. See you soon. Bye.